Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to add border to shape in Canva. So let's begin. Create a new project or open your presentation. Tools, shape and choose your shape. Example, use to the shape, then draw, increase or decrease, hold shift to this fixed size, fix resize size, then add a stroke white, change the stroke color, okay, use gradient stroke. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my